Hey, it's David here from Freedom Founders. Got an interesting comment from a dentist who I will obviously not name because it's just the general principle I want to talk about. But he says this. He says, one of my passive, and I can say passive, income streams include rental properties. He says, I rented this house to a person while I was driving to Mexico for vacation. All right, so let me get this straight. You've got a passive income stream called a rental property, and you're driving to Mexico and you're renting a house. Doesn't sound too passive to me. He said the tenant's first 2 checks bounced, and he ended up living in my house for 2 months without paying any money. How's that revenue stream? It's particularly passive going for you so far. Following the eviction, I began reading tons of law surrounding this situation. So here's a dentist who should be focused on his practice, probably focusing on becoming a more efficient and technical dentist and doing higher dollars per hour, and yet he's trying to do legal work, admin work. He goes on and talks about what he found out about how you can reattempt to cash the check with a certified copy of the bank. He says, goes on, going to the specific bank allows for immediate processing, stop payment orders, blah, 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 blah. And anyway, the whole problem with this is what's passive about what he's doing. I love the fact that dentists and professional practice owners look at alternative investments because it's definitely, in my opinion, and also my experience over 40 years, is the way to build wealth, but you got to do it the right way. And most people see real estate investment as the top layer, outside layer of the onion, meaning there's a lot more underneath if you peel back the layers. The outside layer is what you see on TV or what this dentist has been doing. I'll go buy some rental properties, I'll fix them up, and I'll manage them, and I'll create this passive income. Well, it's not passive. Managing people, managing rental properties is not passive. It's more of a business. And it can be done. It can be done, but you, the dentist, should not be managing your own tenants and properties and contractors. How much is your time worth? How much do you value your time? So that's the problem. People get all mixed up about their time value. Bottom line is this dentist, if he really looked at his return on investment and return on time, I'll bet both are negligible, at best, negligible. If he's leveraged these properties, then at least maybe he's putting money towards debt that if he holds these properties long enough, he'll actually pay down the debt, and that might be a forced discipline investment. But gosh, he could do so much better if he understood how to invest the right way through other people and not doing it yourself. So again, what's really passive about rental property? It's not passive unless you know how to structure it the right way with the right people that have skin in the game with you. Not a typical management company either, which typically has problems as well. If you want to learn more about how to build alternative income streams, annuity income streams without you spending your whole life and time dealing with people and contractors, then you should take a look at Freedom Founders. It's what we do. It's what we do very, very well for people who have the investment capital to invest and they want to get out of the stock market. Look us up, freedomfounders.com. Remember, stay focused on your freedom. It is your freedom, and I'll see you next time.